What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Whew, I haven't painted in a while. I get to paint and my schedule is freed up and I have all kinds of time now to paint a lot more. So the only colors we're using today is this phthalo blue. I have a light blue from Liquitex Basics and then a titanium white. All the colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And with that, oh yeah, I've missed that feeling, you know, seeing it, the paint just drip into the cup. There is oil in these 3 colors. It's just 1 drop of this coconut milk hair serum. These cups are 3-ounce cups, so yeah. Oh man, look at how that blue and white are already interacting. Now, I have some black mixed, but I really want to like sparingly put this in, just little bits here and there. Just I want to see what happens. I'm hoping I'm getting like really cool defined areas of maybe just some dark, you know? Yeah, I really like what this phthalo blue on top of that titanium white does when they start to kind of touch and bleed together. It makes some really nice color. All right, so now we're in the middle. So I'm gonna do a puddle of white, and then in that white, I want to drip some more black. The idea is it kind of helps it stand out a little bit. All right. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. It is a glorious day here in Phoenix. Summer is coming. It is almost here, and I seriously can't wait until it is just sweltering hot. I can step outside as soon as I open the door and it feels like I opened my preheated oven. I don't know if that makes me crazy, but I'm really looking forward to that. Maybe there's something going on there. Now I know that this is like at the very bottom, so you more than likely aren't gonna see any of this, but for science, I wanna know if we do. All right, we're just gonna, no mess at all, but you can see how that black has been pulled down into that white. Then we have some plain, clear white. There's no oil in this. I'm trying to make it so that there's, you know, paint to slide on, so we're not rolling underneath. I'm too excited. I want to flip this cup already. I want to see what we can see. Oh, there are some dark spots for sure. And that, I mean, that's got to be where the black dripped. Has to be. But see, right now it's rolling under because it already passed the part of the canvas where I had to put that paint down. It already ate all that up. It's underneath the puddle in the middle. And yeah, so that is one thing. I love the little ripples that are going on right there in the middle. Those spots of black are just so overpowering. That's a lot of black. But I'm gonna take my heat gun, pop bubbles, maybe coax some cells to come on through. Just nice, gentle, sweeping passes. I'm on like a medium heat setting, nothing super hot. I like when it's a nice kind of a gradual transformation. And you're seeing things happen, you know, slowly, so you can kind of manipulate more, control it a little bit more. That's my preference. Torch, you could definitely use a torch. but I found that the reaction with the torch is so fast and hard to control. Like, I am gonna use the torch, but I wanna do it before I stretch. So I'm gonna look for areas that I feel like nice cells could pop up, possibly through here. I know I like that area, that little white, but I'm right now just looking for areas where more than likely cells will pop up. Now I know that when I spin it and stretch it, I'm essentially only going to keep, if you're looking from the top down, about that much of it. So whatever's in that section is what's going to probably remain on the canvas. So I'm going to focus my efforts on making that look the way I want. So yeah, you see how it just polka dot cells everywhere. Super hard to control, but I do like the effects you get when you do this. And then before you let the cells grow to their full length, you get the stretch going and you let the cells kind of deform on their own, but it also helps guide the direction that they're growing so that you can kind of control a little bit better of what it looks like. Plus you get these really cool Shelly art bloom looks sometimes. Like, yeah, I absolutely love the depth in here and here. But let me bring you guys down, we're gonna look at it, but I love this. Really cool, just very three-dimensional, some just really cool depth to a lot of the sections in this. And then the little spots of black we put in there ended up being huge spots of black, but I'm thinking that they're still gonna look really cool. All right. And this is the dried version. It dried really well. And then if you want to see what distracts me most days, oh my goodness. Yeah, there's little baby Mittens, and Bear, and Spot. There's Romeo and Mama playing around. And that is what keeps me distracted. I almost forgot to introduce you to the newest member of our family. This is Beauty, and she's an angel. Hi, baby. Hi, beautiful. Aww. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.